Okay class, before we proceed to our next lesson, we are going to have a quick review regarding our last topic, which is the states of matter. Can you give me the 3 states of matter, Mika? Very good, Mika. Correct. The 3 states of matter are solid, liquid, and gas. Now, remember class, that matter is anything that has mass and occupies space. So everything around us, like your bags, the water you drink, and the air you breathe, are all examples of matter. There are different arrangements of particles in each state. How are they arranged in solid, Hazel? Excellent, that's right. In solid, the particles are close together, which is why solids have a definite shape and volume. Now, how can you differentiate the arrangement of particles between liquid and gas? Mika? Very good, Mika. That's correct. In liquids, the particles are still close together but can move past one another, which is why liquids takes the shape of their container. While in gases, the particles are far apart and moves quickly and randomly. So again, remember class that the movements and arrangements of particles determine the state of matter. Okay, now that we have reviewed the concepts behind the states of matter, let us apply what we have learned to a fun mini activity. The title of our activity is Identify the State of Matter. For the directions, look at the figures below and identify whether each item is a solid, liquid, or gas. Okay class, is there any questions or clarifications? Okay, none so far. So before we proceed, I will call 3 volunteers to participate in answering this activity. For number 1, yes, Leanne. For number 2, yes, Maribeth. And for number 3, yes, Emilio.